This step-by-step tutorial will make it super easy for you to achieve this chic and trendy look. Use a crochet hook to pull the passion twist hair through your braid. Split your natural hair into 2 parts and twist it together with the extension hair, going in the same direction. Let's talk about styling. Half up, half down, a simple and elegant look. High bun, perfect for work or formal events. Side swept, for a chic and playful vibe. Low ponytail, great for casual outing. Continue watching this video to the end to see all our passion twist hairstyle ideas that you can try out this season. To keep your passion twist looking fresh, follow these simple maintenance tips. Apply a lightweight oil or mousse to reduce frizz and shine. Sleep with a satin scarf or bonnet to protect your twists overnight. Moisturize your scalp with a leave-in conditioner or a scalp spray. Avoid excessive pulling or tight hairstyles to prevent damage. And that is it. You have just learned how to install, style, and maintain your passion twists at home. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments which style you are excited to try. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hairstyle inspirations and tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye.